Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be talking about the previous week as well as what is expected to happen in the coming week. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen, I have jotted down few points over here which shall help us in discussing our discussion today. The first and foremost point is that this week shall comprise from tomorrow, that is 13th of July Monday till 17th of July, that is going to be Friday. And the first point over here are the holidays, and there were no holidays reported in the previous week, and neither are there any holidays in the coming week. So we can say that this week shall be a very trading active week. Now the next point is regarding international indices. International indices or global indices, both the markets, the American markets as well as the Singaporean Nifty ended up in green, whereas there were few Asian markets which ended up in negative points. So it's henceforth we can say it's a mixed reaction for the prediction of the markets. Now comes the United States dollar pricing. The United States dollar in comparison to Indian rupee was last traded at 75.20 Indian rupees, whereas it was less than 75 rupees in the beginning of the previous week. Now comes the quarter results. If you can see in front of your screen, there are a few listed companies who are going to announce their quarter results for the coming week. In that is 5 Paisa Capital Limited, Finotex Chemical Limited, Hathway Bhavani Cabletel and Datacom Limited, Hindustan Copper Limited, Khadim India Limited, Khaitan India Limited, Mindtree Limited, Reliance Industries Infrastructure Limited, Wipro Limited, CAT Technologies Limited, Federal Bank Limited, Larsons and Robo Infotech Limited, Bajaj Consumer Care Limited, L&T Finance Holdings Limited, L&T Technology Service Limited, Britannia Industries Limited, Hathway Cable and Datacom Limited, HCL Technologies Limited, ICICI Lombard Insurance, General Insurance Company Limited. So these were the companies that are going to announce their quarter results in the coming week. Now as per the news are concerned, there are no listed news to be announced as of such, but we should give an eye over all the newses. The first news is regarding investors must watch their taps of liquidity that do not run thinner. Whereas coming on to the next news is that the Rajasthan government is under threat as the Congress leaders try to grow. Now coming on to the next news is regarding Karnataka. The COVID-19 cases are expected to double by 15 to 30 days in the coming 15 to 30 days, as said by Home Minister. Whereas the next news is regarding the self declaration form which is available to all the flyers in circumstances of COVID-19 due to the updates made by the government in self declaration form. There is a improvement in the recovery. Now one of the news is that the Rosary Biotech, which were going to introduce its IPO, shall open tomorrow for subscription. Now comes the Indian market. the Nifty was last traded at 10,768.05 Indian rupees, which is fairly down by 45.40 points, whereas in terms of percentage it is down by 0.42%. Well, that's it guys. I hope you like the video. If you did like the video and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel. At the same time, click on the bell icon for timely updates. I would also request you to share this channel in your contacts. I hope you the very best for tomorrow's trading session and wish to come up with few more videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.